All right, back again Monday. Let's see. Let's see what we got. PFSA. Looking at this into the open. And FCUV. Actually, I haven't checked news on these two, but let's see how well they do. Immediate push. Let's take a one share here. Come on. Yep, fill me. Took a while to fill that. Took a while to exit that as well. So, let's see. 95. I'll throw 1,000 in here, see if it holds 95. Nope. Open has been very hot last week. Looking to see if it's going to continue being hot this week too. You could grab a double bottom at 80, hold down is 58. That's a long way to go. It's going to be a red candle. FCUV. All right, this one back over 2. Back over 2. My goodness. Okay. 208.
FCUV, PFSA, PFSA,
Where did you fill me? That's a slow fill, but we're gonna have to deal with it now.
SEIX, LIGX,
Let's see what we got.
FCUV, CAB,
I mean, a 9.
BTDR, PBV,
Next candle. Ideally, it goes here.
AAOX,
Actually, like this. So I'm starting winding there. It's a slow fill. These fills are real slow. Okay. 202 is out low. I'll add a 202. Hopefully it holds 202. Okay, let's say we're gonna hold this level. So dip right there, 207, 202. I want to be able to size up on this, but the fills are really slow. I don't want to take 3K and be cooked. Fine, I'll take 2. Fills 202. Okay, holding $2. Nope. Out, 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 out. It's slow fills. What's going on here? It's slow to get me filled. Hold on. All right. I don't know why I'm getting really slow fills on PFSA. Maybe it's just moving to erratic at the open. So here we go. We got this move right here of 72. Eesh. This might be good. So 50s. Dip. Any dip I'll take. There it is, 42. I'll take that. 45. Excellent. Looking to add to this. This could be good here. 80. I'll add over 8. I'll add over 8. Looks like we might get a nice move here. Excellent fill, 200 shares. So let's see how well this wants to continue. Good fair value gap right there. Through 8. It's SSR, so 814 is the fold up. There you go. Nice, nice. Got out right there. 814 on the fold. That's weird. Look at that. 823 to 814. That's wrong. Something's going on. Something is going on today. Something is going on. That is not right. What's my exit? My exit was 23, but the ask said 14. What? Maybe I need to restart my DAS. Let me restart it. All right, 30 seconds here. Let's get comfy. We got the 23. You're assuming flat. May take 400. Could lose more than 20 cents in this. I'll take 200 and look to add to this for the squeeze. Dip below 8s. Ooh, there was a dip there, but too fast for me. Dip again. Dang. We dipped that. Look at the stars. He thinks he's still halted. DAS is broken today. Look at this.
FCUV vaulted to the upside. ANC. FCUV. FCUV.
If this thing's gonna hold 80, 180, this could be good. So even though it's a red cap here, holds 80, you could see a nice move. False breakdown. Possibly a good move. Still doing small size until I can figure out what's going on. I think just DAS is DAS. My level 2 in tape day. That's the service I use, DAS Trader Pro. I think it's a little laggy. And our assumption it was off. My feels here were off. Man, it could have been also Thinkorswim, but gotta be careful, man. I don't want to just go red because of some malfunction. So here we go. 20 seconds. Let's look at this resumption. 95, assuming a little higher. Might go straight down, might give a dip. We'll see, we'll see. 23 is this low, so maybe 23 could be a good, somewhere around the 40s could be a good spot. 802 is a hold down. There was a chance right there in the 54, 30s, 40s, 30s, 30s. It's not a gap though, that's the thing. So it's not a gap for me. The gap's down here. I don't know. So they give a dip. What would work here is a dip down below 8. Man, this is working. This is working. This is working. So here 9. $9, 9. You want to fold 9 or what? No, breaking right through 9. Nah, back over 9.
FCUV.
It's a big red candle. Not the smoothest price, but here we can grab a move here, 93. Let's see what you got. You need to get out of this red gap. Nope. Coming down. Hold down is 94, 784 on this. All right, here we go. 95. Nope. Getting shorted. This one.
HIMZ.
50s.
80%.
Well, I do have a top of the gap setup, which I guess that would have worked here in the 30s with a tight stop.
That's limits. AS2
That actually would have worked.
UGNT.
Still waiting, still waiting. Might take a dip here. Although 794 is the full down, so maybe not. Maybe there's a dip. I'll stay patient. All right, I think this is the one here. Over 95. And it's gonna go, there's a seller, massive seller right there. Let's see this. Please don't give me a crappy fill over 95. Here we go. I just want to take 1,000 here. Be able to add on this. Dip under 2. Dip under 2. Dip under 2. Dip under 2. Dip, 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 dip. So bad.
Yes, limits. SIDU.
They filled 202. All right. Looking to add on this, see if we can get the move here. No, breaking 2. Oh, okay, thank you. I mean, I got out sooner than that, but you see how Thinkorswim said I was almost down $80. I got that. I got out 201. Okay, good. Jeez, that's crazy. That's crazy. I gotta be careful, man. All right, let's try this one more time. I guess this is gonna work better with dips instead of gap and goes. So I'll wait for a dip here. Because people are shorting this pretty harsh. So $2 here, or 95 was the spot here. It went all the way up to 215, got rejected. So dips are gonna work much better on this. Anyway, this one pulled it down here,
SE
right on the gap. Assuming lower, 40s. Oh, we're assuming down here. Yeah, I think I'll wait for something better.
FCUV.
I want to be able to take bigger size, but this thing is not too fun to trade.
SE LS.
Doesn't hold well. It's erratic. Goes up here, topping wick, bottoming wick. So if I could just catch a bottoming wick, great. The breakout's not too well. All right, I totally missed this one. Let's see. What do we got here? Wolfed it up here. Dip. Could we get a nice move? MAXN. Rather, let's see. What do we got? News on this?
CRG.
No news that I see. No, it's moving on no news. I don't know. Hard to say. SSR as well.
MAXN.
Maybe a dip 10.
CRG.
MAXN, good call out here. So needs to hold 20. Could this be good? No news though.
MAXN.
Um, maybe we got a target 150, 144 target
MS.
right up there. All right, maybe I'll take a dip here. I'll try it with the dip. Small size. Well, that was 23. I wonder if this is gonna work here. Gonna try it. Should have tried it right there, 23.
SMS.
Big red volume though. 22. 22. It's not failing yet. It's good. 21. 20. Nah. Good thing I didn't try it. Big red volume though. I didn't like it. Get rid of that. Okay, so here's the play that I actually wanted to see. So 80s. Let's see how well it holds 80s.
SMS. SMS. SMS.
Mhm. No, no.
SMS. Investigates. Investigate.
Still waiting for this dip, dip at least 80s. It came down here once. It could do it again. The low on this was 81, so it did it. It kind of, yeah, I guess it did. If you think about it, it came to 81. But I'm looking at to test this gap. We'll see. Okay, MAXN now gave a nice recovery. This looks more promising now. We're in this red gap though. I'm thinking maybe a dip. VWAP is 17. VWAP is 17 there. Could be a possible dip. It's in this red gap. Nice. Okay, cool. Oh, back down again. Let's see. Let's see. So nice reclaim of this 5-minute. I didn't think it would work, but I guess it did work. 5-minute held really strong. All right, here we go. I'm more interested in this. This has most of the volume today, I think. At its peak, it had 4 million shares volume. So we can get some volume in this guy. So let's see. 86. Let's see what we got here. 86 maybe holds. Okay. When volume comes into this guy, it's like really quick. Let's see. One little dip here. One little dip here. One little dip here. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Don't want to be in this too soon. We got to pick our shots because the market is not super hot today, it seems like, at least for my strategy. MAXN pretty choppy. SMX, MNTS, no. Low volume, not good. So here we go. We're going to look for a dip here. Maybe there's a dip here. Dip. Needs to hold 86. I like this green volume, increasing green volume here. The past few minutes. Watching for a dip. Looking for a dip. $87, $86 needs to hold $86. All right, let's do it. $87, tight stop. Come on, give me fill. Nice, finally. Okay, tight stop. I think that was a good fill there. 87. Let's see this. Let's see this. Only 1K. Don't really trust it because I tried it like 3 times and it didn't work. So looking for this to add over 90 for the break of 2. Also, when this thing squeezes, I gotta get out because every squeeze has been a topping wick. So on the squeeze, I need to get out. So right here, I'm looking for, I mean, it's a tight stop, right? So risking about 2 cents, so making 6 cents. So maybe like 95 could be good. Oh, back down. Come on, nope.
MSTV.
95 could be good. It's a slow moving one. Let's see. MAXN. Okay, MAXN looking a little nicer.
SMS. MAXN.
MSTV.
No, it's not going. It has to go here. I'll hold break even. 87. Hopefully it holds 88. Hold 88. Don't snap. Don't snap. Don't snap. Don't snap. No snap. Out. Just. Okay, good. That's not too bad. Small loss there. We tried it. Worth a shot. MAXN.
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 MSTV.
Good, good. We may get a squeeze now here. Let's see. 28, 22. Interesting. It's choppy though. Okay, here we go. This one back into the 83s. Looking for a dip here. Maybe I'll get in on a dip here. 25 with a stop at 22. Watching. Dang, give me that dip, bro. No dip. Oh, here we go. 22, 20, 20. I'll get in here. Where did I get in? 24. High fill on that dip. I don't really like this high fill. Out. Gonna get out here. Hit fill me 25 basically. I wanted to get a little lower, 22.
MSTV. DONL.
SLGB. SMS.
MSTX.
VHH. SMS.
All right, SMX, we may get a $20 push. $20 push here.
REMS. SMS. VHH. SLGB.
Now I need to get in a dip here. I want to get a dip. I want to get a dip, but I might not get this dip. 56, yeah. I have to find a spot to get in here that is going to give me 19. Halt is too close. Let me see, let me see, let me see. Dip under 19. Dip under 19, small size. He's chasing a hold up, huh? He's chasing a hold up. Ooh, there we go. 18 on the ask. Yeah, that's not the dip I want.
That's LTV.
Yeah. Okay, this is a little better here. We can get a nice trade, SMX. Here I would be risking 26. See if it has to hold 26 above 20. Nope, doesn't hold above 20. Coming back down.
That's MX.
OPT. ADHR.
There's a gap right here that seems to have 1755. Maybe some algo sitting right here at 1750. Picking it up. SMX already up 100%. There might be an attempt at 20 on it. Watching. It's spready, so I'm not sure. So interesting reclaim again. 1755. I'll see. So 755 would be the stop here.
TSTD.
Nice.
TSLP.
Okay. Nice. Ooh. I need to see the bid. I need to see the ask. I don't want to get filled on the ask. Red. On that spike of green volume, it should have gone there. You might give it another try. Back 50s. No, it looks like it's not gonna work. Huh? Okay, maybe it is gonna work. Ooh, okay. Maybe it is gonna work. Interesting. So
That's MX.
a little choppy. It's price action is different than what it was before. Seems like it wants to bounce, but maybe not now. Yep, look at that. Not now. So it should have gone. There was a bunch of green here. It came in. It should have gone right there. They tried it one more time here. Didn't go. So failed. This is 1656. Hold down is 16. So maybe we can get a dip right here at under 1650. If it's not too much to ask. But we may be risking a hold down here.
That's LTV.
I don't know if it's worth the shot. Pretty firm red gap here. Pretty firm red gap. Hold down 1570. 1570. Okay. VWAP was $16. So $16. Possible dip. Yeah, let me see what it does in the next few minutes. We can get a nice move. Let's see what we got here. It's been pretty choppy all day. Let me see if we can get a dip here.
TSLP.
Not pushing much size today. It's not the day for it. Let's see if I can get a dip here. 82, 83 maybe.
EG. TSLQ.
Might get a nice squeeze here, so I want to get a dip. This could be a good chance. Here we go, 85. Can I get a dip here? 84. Give it one more chance. 1K. There it is, 81, 80. Please fill me 80. A nice 81 and a half. Excellent fill right there. Let's go. Let's go. This has to be the one here.
And MAXN
87.
SLTV.
Let's get the breakthrough $2 here. Don't. Come on. Come on. I'm holding this guy. Holding this basically flat. I want to see this move. Over 90. Over 9. I'll add over 90 for the break of 2, but I need to see 90 here. What's the high of this? 88. You could potentially see 88. I got a great fill, 81. Thank you, Thinkorswim. That was a great fill. Now I want to see this push. Nice, 87, 88. Come on, 88. So what we're looking for is a nice move, a nice squeeze. A nice squeeze here. Looking for a very good squeeze if we can get a nice push through $2. 2 maybe. What's the high of this? 225. Ooh, that would be awesome. That would be sweet. So look to add over 90. 221 to hold up. We're just chilling here. Let's see what we get. Being patient today is key. It is key. Hopefully this doesn't fail. Small green volume here. Not the best, but it held. Oh, come on. Don't do that. Could retest 81. But ideally it won't retest 81. Ideally we get a move to $2. Come on, let's get a squeeze, man. It needs a squeeze. It needs a squeeze. I'm seeing a lot of green volume, a lot of green orders on the tape.
EG.
So people are buying here. Nice, 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 nice. Oh, all goes. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Yes. Yes, that's the retest we need. Come on, come on. Don't fail, don't fail. Don't fail on me. Don't fail, brother. Don't fail. Nice. 83, 4. Pick it up, pick it up. All goes, pick it up. All goes, pick this up. I'm ready to sell if it breaks 81. All goes, pick this up, please.
VIS.
It's key here.
EG.
It's key. We need to hold. One more squeeze. One more squeeze. Don't. 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 It looks pretty flushy here. Come on, Algos, pick it up green. Oh, come on. I only have small size. I want to add over 90 and get the full squeeze.
Ending items.
85, there you go. There you go. There you go. 84, 85. Brother. 82. Yeah, this is not gonna work, right? Yeah, it's not gonna work. Out. Out. I said out, Bren. Dang. It also is taking some time to get me filled out of it. I guess I could have taken 3K and get out like 87, 86.
Yeah, see,
Yeah. I don't know. I wanted to see a bigger move. Whatever. We're gonna try this one more time here. 22. What could be good here? 21, 20, 20. I'll try 21 here. If it breaks 21, I gotta get out. Yeah, it's gonna break 21. No, it didn't break 21. Dude. I'm just like throwing money out.
FCUV.
It's small size too, so it's not a big deal. It looks good. It's a 5-minute gap. Might get a little lower though. What's the low of this gap? 17 to 22. Could be good. Could be good. If we get a nice squeeze here. Nice. Okay. Dang it. I missed that. Missed that dip. Missed that dip. Beautiful dip right there. 25 here. Are we going to get a squeeze at 25? Dip to 25, then a squeeze. What do we say?
WRB1.
Selling, 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 selling. No. Ooh, back. Nice dip. No, it didn't hold 25, that went lower to 23. That was a great dip, but risky, 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 risky.
FCUV.
All right, here we go.
FCUV.
This should have failed here. And it hasn't failed. Here we go. Let's get a squeeze now. Let me get a dip. Oh, there was a dip there, 83. Can I see it again? Fine, I'll take this, 84. 83. That's a better dip right there. 84 again. Ah. Ow, I got out. Dang it. Not good enough. Not good enough. 81 maybe. I'll try 82, 81.
Las Vegas.
Maybe I'm trying it too much. 82. Ah, dang it. I need to wait for more confirmation on this. Trying to catch it too early. Trying to see that. I'm thinking it's going to be quick, so that's why I'm getting in 84 and looking for 85, 86 and seeing that move quick. I'm good at recognizing those moments when the volume shifts and we get a nice squeeze. So here, not so much. Max MAXN dip. No, it's a tricky one. Not worth it. We'll see. All right. This has to be the one. Let's watch this. 85. Can we get the squeeze? Can we finally get a squeeze here? Small size. 85 has to fold for me. You see 86, I'm taking it. Dang it. Come on, give me 86. 87. 86. 86 taking it. 85. Okay, fill me 85 and a half. Excellent. You better not fail here. Nice. Come on, 88. 88. 86. It doesn't have to, it needs to fold 85. Come on, come on, come on. Push over 90 would be nice here. Could squeeze, it could squeeze. So waiting here, waiting, waiting. If it's going to squeeze, it cannot break 85. Bro. I got out 85 flat. A tough one. Tough one. Tough one. $85 keeps holding. Needs to hold 85. There it is. It didn't actually broke 85. It held. But it looked like it was gonna break. Now it's 90. Dang it. Mm, 93. Ah, that's BS, bro. It's BS. 88 is that low. I'll take 88. Fill me, bro. Jeez. Why does it take so long to get filled here? Yeah, I'm getting out here. All right. I don't trust this thing. It shouldn't be this hard. Honestly, it shouldn't be this hard. All right, let's see what we get. 5 minutes about to set up here in 5 seconds. Might get a dip or might get a squeeze. What's it gonna be? 1K, 2K. Don't have a strong setup here for me. I will grab a dip if I find it 89 to 85. I'll grab a dip down there. 89 to 85. I'll grab a dip. This could be a nice dip here. Looking for the squeeze. That's what I want to look for, the squeeze. 90 is gonna hold. Okay, here we go. Let's get a nice dip. Nice dip here watching. Dips could work well, so I'm gonna size up 2K here. Taking a bit more risk. Dip 89, stop is 85. Dip under 89, come on. Come on, come on. Let me get a dip, let me get a dip. This had a lot of volume there. Mm, 91. Holding 90. What is this again? 89, 85. Let's see it. Let's see it. Here we go, it's coming through. 90, let's get a dip here. Bottoming wick would be very nice. 89, 88, 87, 87, 87. There we go, 85. Ooh, 84. Not sure if I like this, but it's 88. Take one out. 85 and a half, 87, 85. Nah, I'll get out. Nothing there. All right. That's had to be a dip. That had to work. That had to be a dip that I had to work right away for this thing to break. All right, I think I'm gonna take my $100 and call it a day. Today ain't it. All right, we're gonna finish it here up 135. Not much, not much. Kept a number of trades low. We got one good trade on FCUV. Very good trade right here. Gap and go. Dip right here, 45. Excellent exit right at the top, 23. Then there was a dip, which came very fast. DAS Trader Pro was not working well for me. It looked like it was buggy at the beginning. So I kind of didn't want to trade this because I think it was lagging. the data feed was lagging, in my opinion. I have to look at the tape again, but very good dip right here, good resolution. Another dip down here. I was gonna try this dip right here in the 30s and 40s. Would have been a great resolution to 9, but no. Tried this a couple times, I think. Yeah, tried it here on this dip. Horrible fill. Got fill 24 out 25. Maybe I pressed it a little too late, but I think it was a horrible fill. Then I got this one here, nice dip. Oh yeah, so dip right here on this gap. One more time, it was holding, but it shook me out. It actually came all the way up here to 28. Just a few seconds later, it goes. And then PFSA was the one for today. We tried a gap and go here. Strong squeeze, looking for the squeeze to hold. And no, I think I started. What did I do here? Oh yeah, this is all one trade. Okay, yeah. So I took a gap and go. I was like, nah, I'm in too high. Looks like it's choppy. It's coming down. Size down, size down. I'm thinking, okay, I'm gonna take a dip right here. The high this is 202. I'll take a dip around 202. Boom, took a dip at 2, and I'm thinking, oh, this is choppy. This is weak. Got out 99. And also slow fills on this thing. I don't know why I gave some of these slow fills. Like it took me like 3 seconds to get filled. Anyway, gap and go, fail there. What was this? This was a 1 minute? Yeah, 1 minute. 1 minute fair value gap on that dip, nothing. Oh, this was great. This was great. I thought I had a beautiful trade here. So in right at this dip at 81.5. I'm thinking, okay, we're gonna get the big move here, the massive move over 2, out 81, small loss. But man, what a beautiful entry that was, right? And then we got another trade here. Uh, yeah, I don't know what happened here. I think I just panicked out. I was like, no, I don't want to trade this. Or maybe, I don't know. I don't know. My stop on this was pretty tight. Then we got a nice trade here. Oh no, this is a flat trade. The next trade we got this little one here, 89 to 91. Yeah. It's not the one. It's not the one today. So just took my profit and that's it. There was another trade here. Yeah, another trade. $5. Nothing burger. Anyway, so 139, 135 on the day. The month is looking pretty great so far. So we're gonna try to keep this momentum going and understand that it takes time. So I cannot be going crazy. There are times when I have to size up. There are times when I have to size down. Today we size down. Hopefully tomorrow there's more momentum and I'm able to size up. Anyway, come over to Mr. Profit, create your account, pre-training analysis tool, select the broker, add a file, and click analyze. That'll be great. Check it out. Check out all our features as well. We got our day performance, our charts, our journal. Check out our features. They look great. And join us for $5 a month or 50 a year. I think you will love it. You will love it. Come check it out and come check out our community. We're a growing community, so come check it out. If you need any help, have any questions, let me know. Hit me up on Discord. All right. Oh, we have a day trading channel now, so I'll be posting more often on that day trading channel. My picks, my targets, watch list, and stuff that I'm watching. Anyway, so come check it out on Discord.